To finish up our um, application problems with right triangles. So a photographer is going to point a camera at a window at a nearby building. It's going to form an angle of 42 degrees with this camera platform. So we have 42 degrees here. Here's the window up here. And if the camera is 52 meters from the building, how high above the camera platform is the window? So we have a relationship between the opposite and the adjacent side. So tangent of 42 degrees is equal to x over 52. So 52 times the tangent of 42 degrees is x. 52 tangent of 42. I'm still in degree mode from earlier. I'll show you that. So make sure you're in degree mode if you're typing in angles and degrees. We want to go out to the nearest hundredth of a meter this time. So x is approximately 46.82 meters. In our next problem, a tree casts a shadow of 26 meters. So this shadow is 26 meters with an angle of elevation of the sun at 24 degrees. Find the height of the tree to the nearest meter. So we again are using tangent here, that tan of 24 degrees is going to be x over 26. So 26 tan 24 degrees is equal to x exactly. Let's figure out what that is approximately. And we want to round to the nearest meter. So x is about 12 meters. A 25-foot ladder reaches the top of the house and forms an angle of 41.5 degrees with the ground. Oh, I'm sorry, with the wall of the house. So there's a 41.5 degree angle up here with the wall of the house. So if we need that other angle down there, 90 minus 41.5 is going to be 48.5 down here, if we need that. Not sure that we do. How tall is the house if the ladder is 25 feet long? Okay, so we want to use, we're going to use the 41.5 degree angle that we were given. Cosine of 41.5 degrees is equal to x over 25. So 25 cosine of 41.5 degrees is equal to x. And we want to round this to the nearest tenth of a foot. So x is about 18.7 feet. Two hikers are on opposite sides of a canyon, and each stands precisely 525 meters above the canyon floor. So they're at the same level as each other. They each cite a landmark on the canyon floor on a line directly between them. The angles of depression from each hiker to the landmark are 37 degrees and 21 degrees. How far apart are the hikers? So you pick a spot to look at out here, and at the point there, And for this person to look at that is 37 degrees. And this one is 21 degrees. 37 degrees is here and 21 degrees here. Okay. And that makes this angle up here not 90 degrees, but we can drop an altitude right here and make two right triangles. And we can say that we want X and Y here. And this height is going to be Z. If we need it. I'm drawing this horizontally. I need to draw it vertically. So they're looking this person is looking down to a point. And this person is looking down to a point down here. And both of them are 525 meters above. So when this person looks down, they are looking down 37 degrees, which is also there, and 21 degrees, which is there. And I want to find out now this distance that I'll call X and this distance that I'm going to call Y. And I want to find out the distance X plus Y. So tangent of 37 degrees is 525 over X. So X equals 525 divided by tan 37. Tan 21 is equal to 525 over Y. So Y is equal to 525 over tan 21 degrees. So X plus Y equals 525 over tan 37 plus 525 over tan 21. Let's figure out what that is. 525 divided by tan 37 plus 525 divided by tan 21. And I get that the total distance between them to the nearest whole number is about 2,064 meters. I think I have just one more question here. From the edge of a 1,000-foot cliff, the angles of depression to two cars in the valley below are (21 degrees and 28 degrees. Uh, 28 degrees is the big angle here, so 21 degrees, and this is 28 degrees. There's a 7-degree difference there. How far apart are the cars? So car 1 is here, car 2 is there, and I want to know this distance here. Well, to get that distance, I'm going to have to find the big distance here. That's going to be tangent of 28 degrees. is equal to, I'm just going to call the alongside there, y over 1,000. So 1,000 tan 28 degrees is equal to y. So 1,000 tan 28. This is my big distance from the cliff to car 2. So cliff to car 2 is 531.7094317. Let's find cliff to car 1. So that's going to be tan of 21 degrees is equal to that distance that I want divided by 1,000. So 1,000 tan 21 is equal to, I'm going to call it D, 1,000 tan 21. And D is equal to 383.864035. And I want to find the difference between those. So X is going to be equal to 531.7094317 minus 383.864035. So 531.7094317 minus 383.864035. We want this answer to the nearest tenth of a foot. So X is about 147.8 feet. That's it for this section. I'll see you again for the next section.